Hey everyone, it's Amanda, Pineal Painting, Sarasota, Florida.
Alright, so we don't have any more of these, right? Eventually we'll have to make
Oh shoot! Is that what, was I supposed to get more?
No, because I wasn't sure, how we were gonna go with this, but I think this is a good way to go.
Okay. Yeah, well, this
So
is, does this have a, you want me to run and get it?
If you're gonna give it a
So
minute,
just
see
cut
like
it
when,
away?
I'm gonna cut on the other side. Yeah, that's just like on the lump on the studs.
find it that way?
I think I'm yelling because I can't hear anymore.
Oh no, you're not yelling, no.
So I'm gonna,
I'm the loud mouth, not you.
I'm gonna work on this side and
Okay,
see
and get that
what we
cut.
need. This way,
Okay.
you get everything at once.
Alright, yeah, I can get a bundle of those. Yeah, it was so windy yesterday.
Yeah, right? I went to the beach, and I mean, I actually went kayaking, and it was crazy. And when I was leaving, there were people like there were a bunch of like surfboards, people like coming out, surfboards. I'm like, wow, I guess the water is really crazy.
Real choppy, huh?
Yeah, because I mean, you cannot surf at Venice Beach.
No!
No.
No, but that is the beach
But-
where the surfers go when the storms come in. They go to
Yeah.
Venice, like they go to the jetty.
Uh-huh.
You'll see first surfers out there
Oh, yeah?
sometimes. Yeah,
Oh.
there's not many spots around this area, Southwest Florida,
Uh-huh.
where they can go. But Venice
So
Beach is one of them. And
They were there.
Yeah, you'll see them when the hurricanes come in. You'll see them out there, crazy lunatics with their surfboards.
So I bought on the Amazon Prime Day, I bought a kayak. I bought a cheap one. I said, no, let me see if this
Yeah.
is something that I want to do and what's going to happen. And
Yeah,
eventually that can be for, somebody that comes to visit.
Yeah.
They can use that.
yeah.
But, yeah, so I bought a cheap, like the cheapest one I could find.
Yeah,
Just to
that's
get a
cool.
feeling of it. And I liked it. So eventually, down the road, I'll buy a nicer one.
Yeah,
I know, but eventually.
they have nice, they make it with stronger material.
Yeah, and they have like some that like for fishing. They have all kinds of equipment on them and everything. Alright, to the noise again. Let's see if I can find something to plug my ears because that was
I
loud.
know. I was gonna say, I have earplugs for shooting. I've only used them once. You wanna?
Do you have
Oh, I have the I have the muffs too. The
Oh, that works.
You want to use those? Use this now, right?
Right.
But you can't use these pieces either, huh? So I need to get this and get how long are those?
I'm just
Probably.
thinking here if we need all that or not.
I don't think you have to do. Do you have to do a box? Hold on. We gotta do some
On this
big-
side we can, that's, I'm trying to figure if we use those filters. I'm also trying to make it easier for you, maybe we can
Think.
put something
I
at the
can just
bottom
buy
here.
those clips. That would be way
Which
easier
clips?
than you having to do a whole wood thing. But would it be
Which clips
sturdy
are you
enough?
using?
Like some sort of like clip that will hold those in?
Oh, okay.
Just turn it
Mhm,
and clip them in? No?
That might
Or is it
work.
gonna be better for you to do don't want you to have to do
I'm
more
thinking,
work than
you know,
necessary.
if we can just put like a strip of wood down here, and then get a bungee right across.
That would work.
Right,
But we
and then
still,
this-
I still have to go get. So we would only need one.
Well, for here, then
Maybe
I can
4.
probably use, you know, those pieces will be enough for here and there.
Oh,
And then
that's
the top
true.
one's gonna hold right, you know, it's gonna be sitting right on top of this, so
Right.
that's not a problem. So all this should be all taken care of. Just
Okay.
put a strip here and put 2 hooks
Yeah,
with a bungee.
yeah, yeah.
So
I'll
that-
just- and then I can just go later and get bungee, you know. That
Yeah,
way you don't
this-
have to waste a whole day going to the Home Depot and building this thing.
So for this, I mean, we just have to put a little piece of wood inside here
Yeah.
to, you know, make sure this is secure. But so this here, it's pretty much figured out. I just have to cut a little bit down here and a little
Yeah,
bit up
just
here.
to fit the filter in
Yeah.
there. I was trying to think. Yeah, that will work good. Stacy says she has.
So if you're okay with that, we can do that.
Yeah, that's perfect. And I think I already have bungee. I'll probably buy some. Is this all in your way? Is that good?
Cut this here.
All right, we're on episode 2 of the spray booth. I'm so corny. Rick's back.
Hello, hello.
Rick.
Let's get it done.
Do you rather be called Rick or Richard?
Rick, Ricardo.
Ricardo,
that's
anything,
fine.
Rico?
Rico.
I like Rick, so I'll stick with that.
All right.
As long as it's easy to say. Rick is so awesome. Look at this. He's already got these holes cut out for the filters. We're going to put 6 here. He's going to put 4 there. Got this mega blower here. Vever. This is a really good fan. It's got the, it's high powered and they say it's low noise, but it's still pretty loud. Right?
Yeah.
And it's got the tube here, a 16-foot tube. So I'm gonna hook that up to it, and then I can wrap it around the outside of the house here, and then that way when it sucks all the paint fumes and everything out, it'll go through the tube and around the outside of the house there and blow it all that way. That's the idea anyway. So, coming along. I was so excited last time just to have that.
Because the overall measurement is good, so we'll go from there. Which means I need a piece of 20 and 29 and a half. I feel rain. I think I feel rain.
Oh, good.
this.
Yeah, that's not.
Or maybe I can just move the wood up. And then,
Why would that make a
trick.
difference? I think that'll make a difference.
then I would,
Once it's nailed together, it'll be fine, won't it?
yeah.
That's fine. I'll just do a little caulking.
Well, yeah, it's good. You have to
Do a bead there, don't even worry.
It's going to be good to caulk everything around, just to get like all the suction from the filter, not
Yeah,
anywhere
yeah.
else.
So don't even
it'll be
worry
good
about
too.
that, because I got to caulk it anyway.
To hide the drill. You can just like caulk everything to the inside.
Yeah, caulk
Just gonna. I don't want to put a whole piece because it's gonna be heavy.
Okay, right. Just put that small piece as a
Yeah.
brace, or as for something to screw onto. Loving it. Something about smart tradesmen. Right? We're like one of a kind, or tradeswoman, whatever you wanna call us. But it's can't find very many of us anywhere anymore, huh? We're like what am I trying to say? We're like a hot commodity.
Right.
I love watching really just smart, creative people build things. I don't know, it's amazing. Nice. Using some sawdust, got some good suction. Wow, going right down the tube.
It's great.
No.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Seems like Rich or something.
Okay, Rick's got the box on the back and the blower attached. And we did a test. Works good. Trying to get these filters on. So he's installing the filters now. And the filters will sit right in the holes there. When the fan's on, will be a suction. These filters are sit on the outside here and rest up against the frame there. It's gonna put a board here and a board down here to rest the filters on, so the filters can sit, have something to rest on, and then do a bungee cord just to hold them in place with a couple hooks or something. It's all bleeding coming together. Oh, there I go again. That thing gets me every time. Yeah, bumpers. Oh my gosh. I want to do that. If I get enough of them, I'll do every year. I'll do one maybe.
It's special. It's special.